At One Stop Decorating, we get a lot of questions about what window coverings work best on a sliding glass door. Our designers typically recommend any number of window coverings. We have a traditional vertical blind, which you've seen quite a bit of out there, and that's a great way to cover your sliding glass door with something very versatile, very durable, and very economical. Some of our customers will upgrade to more of a sliding panel system. Hunter Douglas has the Skyline sliding window panels. And really, this is about a 17-inch wide fabric panel that can be coordinated specifically with roller shades in horizontal windows that allows them to slide off of the window to access your sliding glass door. Another of the treatments that our customers like to choose is a drapery or a curtain. We put a lot of one-way sliding draperies or curtains because they're something that adds a really nice design and style to the window, but they're also very functional in the fact that they can be very insulating and block a lot of light, or even allow you to filter through some of the sheer fabrics in case your sliding door backs up to the woods or a lake or a golf course even. Another trend that we've seen recently is people using a lot of horizontal shades on sliding glass doors because people are getting away from the look of a stack on one side of the door. We do a lot of roller shades or rolling style shades because they can slide all the way up and down horizontally on the sliding glass door, but more importantly, roll inside of a headrail at the top, so that if you wanted your door completely open where you could see everything outside and nothing was in the way, you could have it rolled up inside the headrail. We even automate those. Typically, there's an electrical outlet near your sliding glass door, which allows us to run an AC adapter for your shade to be able to plug it in, and you would never have to worry about changing batteries again. And that's a great way to put a motorized or automated shade. We set those up and automate those oftentimes for people that have dogs or cats that like to look out the glass. You can raise that or automate that shade to come up 14 to 18 inches off of the ground to allow your animal to look outside and see what's going on, all the while maintaining your privacy and blocking the UV light and the harmful heat rays or cold air that would come in through that glass. With sliding glass doors, those are typically in an area that's kind of your dining area or your eat-in kitchen, and a lot of things we like to have people take into consideration is the amount of privacy they want while they're eating. If you're sitting there with your family and you're enjoying dinner, do you want a treatment that allows you to be able to see through at night, that doesn't block or give you very much privacy so that you have that during the day and you can kind of see through it? Or do you want a treatment that gives you complete privacy where you're at the table with your family? Another thing that we like to take into consideration is where the sun sets. If you have a sliding glass door and you're facing west, and especially if it's in one of those eating areas, it can get really hot in that area, especially while you're cooking. So that sun coming in the western side of your house at the same time as you're cooking produces a lot of heat. So we would oftentimes recommend something that would be energy efficient, like a sliding honeycomb shade on those sliding glass doors. And that's really going to cut down on the heat or the cold, make it very efficient, and maintain a much more even temperature in your kitchen, especially when you're in there cooking.